Big week at Spotify Camp Nou. FC Barcelona's official release picture shows the finished technical area with sleek new player benches in place, fresh turf laid around the dugout, and a full test of the lights and facilities last night. From South Goal to the North Goal, we've got every corner of this massive rebuild covered. Let's get into it. From the FC Barcelona official release picture, a first look at the finished technical area inside the Spotify Camp Nou. The player benches are now fully installed, sleek black Cupra seats with the club crest stitched in. The turf around the dugout is laid, the structure is polished, and it's match ready. Last night they tested the lights and facilities at Camp Nou. Gol Sud, right at Dani Pardo's curve. Trucks, lift platforms, and even the city's park crew trimming trees. It's all happening here. The new entrance and shop fronts already have their glass in, and the stairs are getting their final mortar coat, step by step. Inside, VIP seats are fully installed, while in the fan zone, the first maroon rail seats are going in, perfect for those who will stand, jump, and sing all match long. Up high, honeycomb panel installation on the second cantilever looks solid, but one section's been paused for a few days. Still, the brackets, trusses, and crossbeams in the Gol Sud are now fully in place. Down below, crews are smoothing concrete around the tower crane base, adding railings, and applying primer varnish to the diamond zone. Even with the heat, the polish and detail work here show they want the first phase to look flawless. Inside, both VIP rings are coming together. Workers are building partitions for the suites, installing metal decking for floors, and sealing ceilings on the second ring. It's sweltering at this height, but progress is steady. Drains are concreted in, glass panels are appearing at the front of the second tier, and white-coated beams in the cores are giving the interiors a clean, finished look. The club clearly wants these premium areas ready for opening day. Over at the North Goal, it's a full-blown festival. Concrete pumps are working both on the outer third tier and the second cantilever. Waterproofing layers are going down, and safety nets are appearing. In the diamond area, the away fans' entrance, walls of concrete blocks are rising, yellow support bars are set, and braces line the stand. Trucks are constantly arriving with raw materials, keeping the pace high in one of the stadium's most complex sections. The first floor of the parking garage is now largely complete, with formwork panels cut and fitted. Around the site, access points are being prepped. Rebar is in place, soil is compacted, and concrete pours are next. Emergency staircases are now connected between sections, and perimeter fencing is up in areas once thought to be open for Phase 1. Even small touches, like varnished floors near the diamond and railings on central ramps, are moving ahead fast. So that's today's tour, from the buzzing Gol Sud to the heavy-duty North Goal, VIP interiors, and even underground parking. With inspectors arriving August 25th and a planned September 14th first phase opening for 27,000 fans, every beam, step, and seat matters. The heat is brutal, but the pace hasn't slowed. Next week could bring more panels up high, more glass in place, and maybe, just maybe, the diamond taking its final shape. Subscribe to GOAT Sports' for your front row seat to Camp Nou's transformation. We cover every beam, seat, and surprise, so you don't miss a moment of history.